The purpose today is just to wrap up this cohort of the Diversity Football Program. We're such a proud sponsor to be here. We think it's such an important program. We're blessed to be joined by a lot of the participants today.
I really felt welcome and supported, and especially with the support of Securian, I don't think I would have ever gotten an opportunity like this. I hope that programs like this continue to exist to create and open up a lot of opportunities for people, one, that look like me, but then also people that might not.
I know that this program works. One of my athletes that I personally coach, Jamila, was chosen. It encourages the younger generation, so thank you very much, and I hope to see and encourage many, many athletes, coaches, ATs, football ops moving forward.
We're very proud of our partnership with the CFL and want to give a lot of credit to our partners. We see how you show up with this program. That's how we make the game better for everyone and create more of a level playing field.